Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are doing good and studying at home. Take care of your health. Stay home and stay safe. Today we are going to study the third lesson of class third. So let us start our studies. And the name of the lesson is Subject and Predicate. Open your book. Now, open page number 15 and look at lesson number 3, that is subject and predicate. Look at the first 15th page, that is sentence. Sentence is made up of two parts, that is subject and predicate. A sentence has two parts. What is subject? A subject is a part, person, place, animal, or a thing that is being spoken about. And what is a predicate? A predicate is a part which describes what is said about the subject. For example, the sun shines in the sky. We are talking about whom? हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? The sun. हम sun के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Hence, the sun is called subject here. यहाँ पे subject sun है. What are we talking about the sun? About sun. Shines in the sky. Hence, this part is the predicate. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Sun. और क्या बात कर रहे हैं? कि sun sky में shine कर रहा है. That is a predicate. Okay. So remember points. In most of the sentence, the subject is placed in the beginning of the sentence, and the subject of the sentence is noun or pronoun. जो भी सब सेंटेंस का जो सब्जेक्ट होगा वो हमेशा नाउन और प्रोनाउन ही होगा. एंड द प्रेडिकेट ऑफ द सेंटेंस कंसिस्ट ऑफ द वर्ब. सेंटेंस में जो प्रेडिकेट होगा वो क्या कंसिस्ट करेगा? वर्ब, उसकी क्रिया, कि सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज एंड ओपन पेज नंबर 16. थिंक एंड आंसर. Circle the subjects and underline the predicates in the following sentences. Look at this different 15 examples. Can you see these examples? Number 1, the painter is painting the room. So what will be subject here? Who is the subject? The painter. And the predicate is painting the room. So you have to circle the subject and underline the predicate. So number 2, Neelam is studying for her exams. So what is subject here? Neelam. Who is studying? Neelam is studying. So Neelam is subject. Circle the Neelam and studying for exam. What is Neelam doing? She is studying for exam. That is predicate. Likewise, you have to do all the examples. Number 3, they are going on a picnic. Circle subject the, they, and are going on a picnic. That is a predicate. Number 4, the twins are playing in the room. Circle the twins, and are playing in the room is predicate. Number 5, the glasses are made of bone china. So what will be subject here? The glasses, and rest of the part is are made of bone china. That is predicate. Number 6, you can have the fruit salad. What is subject here? You, and the predicate part is can have the fruit salad. Number 7, Mary had a little lamb. What is subject here? Mary. What does Mary have? Had a little lamb. That is the predicate part. Number 8, the toy is on the cupboard. What is subject here? The toy. And the predicate part is on the cupboard. So underline that is on the cupboard. Number 9, the rabbit is in the burrow. So what is subject here? The rabbit. Is in the burrow is a predicate part. So underline that. Number 10, the dog jumped over the bush. What is subject here? The dog. What is dog doing? The dog jumped over the bush. The predicate part is jumped over the bush. Okay. Number 11, the matchbox is on the sofa. So subject will be matchbox. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Matchbox. That is subject. तो वो subject है. Is on the sofa. That is predicate part. Okay. Now 12 number, honesty is the best policy. Honesty subject is the best policy predicate. Number 13, the postman is walking on the pavement. Subject is the postman. What is the predicate part? He is walking on the pavement. 14 number, the envelopes are sealed nicely. What is subject here? The envelopes. And predicate part is are sealed nicely. Number 15, Mumbai has heavy rains every year. So, what will be the subject? Mumbai. And predicate part will be has heavy rains every year. So, students, now you have understood that what is subject and what is predicate in the sentence. Now, students, come to page number 17. And the question is, add suitable subjects to the following. Number 1. You can see the examples that subject is not given. Number 1. Dash is flying high in the sky. What is flying high in the sky? The bird is flying high in the sky. Here you can add any subject to this predicate. Number 2. Dash are barking at the thief. Who are barking? Dogs are barking at the thief. Third, Dash is built of pure white marble stone. What is built of pure white marble stone? The Taj Mahal. Number 4, Dash are red in color. What is red in color? Tomatoes. You can also write apples are red in color. I have written tomatoes are red in color. Number 5, Dash is made of wood. So, what can we make from wood? The chair, furniture, table, anything you can write. Number 6, Dash are in the classroom. The students are in the classroom. Dash is knocking at the door. A man is knocking at the door. Number 8, Dash played football in the evening. The children played football in the evening. Number 9, Dash are blooming in the garden. Flowers. Number 10, Dash are in the nest. So, answer is the birds are in the nest. So, you can add any subject to the sentence. Next, see question. Add suitable predicates to the following. Now, you have to add the predicates. Subject part is given. You have to add predicate. Example, the driver. So, what we will write? Driver is driving a big car. Or you can make different sentence. Okay? The little girl is crying for ice cream. Lions live in a den. Number 4, aeroplanes were flying a few feet above the sea. The gardener is watering the plants. The gardener takes care of the plants. Number 6, they are visiting the doctor today. Number 7, Mr. Manoj is a doctor. Number 8, children are playing in the garden. Number 9, stars twinkle at night. And number 10 is telephone is the most fantastic invention of the science. So students, you can add any predicate. You can make any sentence of your own. It is not compulsory to write the same sentence in exam. You can write sentence of your own. Now open page number 18. Choose the correct subjects or predicates from the bracket and fill in the blanks. The options are given here. A dinosaur went to the forest. Tokyo is full of green vegetables are performing well. Now come to these examples. Number 1, Dash is an extinct animal. So what is the suitable subject here? A dinosaur. Number 2, the basket dash. The basket is full of green vegetables. Number 3, Dash is the capital of Japan. Which is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. Number 4, the dwarfs are performing well. Okay, now come to the match the following question, that is look at the table below and make the suitable sentences. So now you can make the suitable sentences from the table. Spider-Man, which is the perfect predicate here. Spider-Man climbs on the buildings. Number 2, an army. An army of the soldiers is marching ahead. Number 3, English is my favorite subject. Number 4, Naveen is reading a newspaper. The ducks are swimming in the pond. So after doing this, you can write these answers on this at the both side. Okay, so we have completed this lesson, and you have to listen and see this video at least 2 times for proper understanding. Okay, goodbye.